I'm Merritt Gilbert, and I lead our marketing team for the consumer replacement business. I've been with Bridgestone for 5 years. I invite you to walk a mile in my shoes. I'm a dual career working mother with young children at home. I am not unique, but sometimes, I do feel like I'm in an island navigating the challenges inherent in being a dual career working mother. I might have working hours that look a little different from other folks. I might do work before I take my kids to school or to summer camp. I might disconnect for a second to pick them up from school so I can connect with them before diving back into work. As a woman, I'm considered an underrepresented group, but I also have a sense of responsibility to be an ally and a champion for other underrepresented groups. At work, that means I had DE&I on my development plan before it was cool, and I also take great pride in co-leading a Bridgestone Women's Initiative Network mentor circle. At home, that means teaching my kids that they have a responsibility to help as well. So in 2020, we started participating in We Walk with Sean. Sean is a Black man who posted on Nextdoor that he was nervous to walk in our neighborhood. So we responded, and many others responded that they would walk with Sean. So we started going and really got to know Sean and support his mission. I think that gave us a really great opportunity to teach our kids that they have an obligation to help support underrepresented groups, but also to teach them why a Black man might be nervous to walk in his own neighborhood. Being a dual career working mother does affect my personal life. So that means I had to be very intentional about setting aside time to fill my cup back up, especially with my commitments at work and at home. So that ranges from, setting aside time to read a book, going to dinner with my girlfriends, or even buying a latte. I will tell you that the smartest thing I ever did was find a partner who supports me in my ambitions as equally as I support his. That partnership is the main reason all of this works. So that's me. At Bridgestone, I feel free to be all of those things.